Want to know more about the Hero Circle crab vendor situation between Alice Waugh and Nadine Francis? Well, stick around for more updates. Alright, so before I get into the story, thank you so much for supporting the last video. If you haven't seen it, please go and check it out before you jump into this video. And so in the last video, I mentioned that the public was beating Alice bad because she go and go take the tissue and go wipe while she oh my God, while she's preparing the crabs and soup and all of these things. Nadine popped up to the public. She showed receipts showing Alice, doing this on numerous occasions. And so that is where we left on. But right now I want to give you a bit of history and some more updates about the entire situation. So let me just say this. So Nadine has now been hailed as the hero of the Heroes Circle crab vendors. It has come to the public that Nadine is not new to this. She's very much true to this. She has actually been the nanny of the Maroons, championing the cause for the crab vendors for quite a while. Now, in this post posted by the mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, he actually shared this on his Twitter with a throwback picture of Nadine actually, demonstrating and advocating for the rights of the crab vendors many years ago. So he said, "Let me be clear, Nadine was a champion and lead advocate for the renovations and provided input on behalf of the vendors into the project. She was raised at the spot and speaks on their behalf very regularly."
Then I wonder if I really clean that. When the check come in, take it back.
So right there and then, the mayor of Kingston is making it known that Nadine actually has a history of really standing up for what is right and advocating for the welfare of the vendors in that space. So once again, this is actually cementing Nadine as the heroine in this entire saga. And he also, also expressed the concerns about her safety. Now, soon after that, we saw that Nadine met with the mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, and they were discussing, I guess, plans to how they can, improve the conditions and the infrastructure for the vendors. So I guess I feel very good seeing that there and seeing so she look like she have some sort of protection around her, because people on the streets really wonder about her safety. Nadine's effort, while that is good, other questions were still left unanswered. Why did the vendors not have a restroom? Why were they not equipped with a washing station? Like, how come the whole entire space to get sponsored and all of these gaps were still left? Actually saw a post and it had Desmond McKenzie some year ago actually handing over where is it said Desmond McKenzie handing over a black tank that was donated, filled and installed at the location to ensure vendors had access to running water.
The beneficiaries expressed their appreciation.
This is really good because we do out in the rain, and with one time we have shelter and them tear we down, and the rain if you give with this. I was so grateful for it.
We're going to expect more customers now because the stalls so pretty and everything, so we are expecting more customers.
In addition to the stalls, a seating area was also constructed and the space is supplied with piped water.
There was absolutely no resistance. We displaced them for quite some time.
It is an investment not by Ria Nephew, but it is an investment by the vendors themselves, because at the end of the day, if it fails, it's not Ria Nephew that will fail. It would be you, the vendors, who have not demonstrated and accepted the kindness of J. Ria Nephew in assisting in this project.
So at least that was handled, but what happened after that? Like, what went after that? Like, I still don't know. If anybody has information in the comments, feel free to let me know. So you see, while the people are asking all of these questions, trying to figure out how come the vendors didn't have the adequate facilities, who did I get beaten? Alice. Alice was now getting beaten. Because remember, Alice come out to the public and base and say only one time it happened. And she normally walk for 10 minutes to go to her cousin yard for go use the bathroom. But when Nadine posts up, she posts up and drop the receipts, the whole of Alice business just dropped right there and then. So much so to the point where her interview started to trend on TikTok. And she has now become a meme. Take a look.
I drink a hot beer with some salt. I say right as I hurt me in my stomach. I never drink no tea. And I say I come over, yeah, and you do the come down. I drink a hot beer with some salt. I say right as I hurt me in my stomach. I never drink no tea. And I say I come over, yeah, and you do the come down. I mean, take it a nap. I drink a hot beer with some salt. I never drink no tea. And I say I come over, and you do the problem. I mean, take a napkin and wipe back and never dash it around the same night. And then go down on my knees, come here, and come back up.
So you clean the ear after?
Yeah, man, cannot never die wrong, I don't know.
Honestly, when I laugh, I am not laughing. Like, why are we like this? Why are we like this? So the Alice interview has now become a trending sound on TikTok. People are doing dances, people are performing, and all of that. And so that is what has been happening with Alice. But you see, on the other side now with Nadine, now the public has been hailing Nadine so much to the point where they must say, you know what, somebody need to go and create a GoFundMe for Nadine. And what did Nadine do? Not gonna create a GoFundMe. But you see when Nadine gonna mess up now is when she decided to link up with somebody by the name of Chopper. Chopper Nadine, not Nadine, man. Chopper. Just watch the video.
From, you see me, a possible outbreak, a cholera, anything could have gone with the world. You see me, but for everybody we are trying to reach out to it, you see me, and everybody will want to support Auntie Nadine. Right now, she have a JN account. You see me, the number 209-4655-815. You see me, and the name on the account is Nadine Francis, and it's a Jamaican national. And you see Duke Street branch there, Duke Street branch, is it? And we have set up a GoFundMe, so anybody we can send through, you see me, or if anybody want to reach out to her now at all, you don't know they have to facilitate it, because she don't really know about social media like that, you see me?
I'm big up all who try to reach out to me, and I thank you.
You know what? That is that, So Nadine is getting help. People can go and donate to her because, we don't really know how she's going to be able to, feed her family and all of that in the interim time. And so that is going on one end. But you see, everybody and their mother has been popping out pictures, been popping out interviews with Alice now. And, just talking about the amount of people, the countless supporters that she had. She clearly was the most popular crab vendor at Heroes Circle. And so, in recent times, a YouTuber by the name of David's been here. He has been covering the story. He was one of the recent, persons to have interviewed Alice prior to the crappy situation, and so he's been making fun of the entire saga.
So there will be a spoken to the public.
Where it come down on you and you have to just do it.
Alice want bathroom. Alice want toilet.
I never see such a video.
First off, I still love Jamrock. Love you guys, Jamaica. I've been seeing a lot of comments. I'm gonna answer this. I am okay. My stomach might have went through some problems, but I'm okay.
The broth. Spicy.
Double the flavor.
Spicy. Fantastic. So my hands are dirty. So come right over here and wash up.
Come right. Yeah, we have some.
And that's clean water.
So in all seriousness, today I dropped 100 hours in Kingston documentary. At the beginning of it, we have Hero Circle, and at the moment, I'm not recommending that destination. I hope that they get the facilities they need to that place be better. I couldn't go to the bathroom when I was there, and I remember that. Let's not let the actions of a few people ruin a destination. Kingston is beautiful. Jamaica's amazing. The food there will blow your mind. So I recommend going to Jamaica for sure. With that said, I do take my recommendations seriously. Unfortunately, this hit the fan. Love you, Jamaica. One love. Talk to you guys soon.
As well as we see Rebel post up a picture with her and the bucket, you know, that she had received from Alice, and so boy oh boy, this just don't look good. Boy oh boy, I can only imagine Alice's reaction when she realized that Nadine has been documenting what she was doing for many weeks. Jaja.
I mean, it's just appalling. It sickens me. I woke up this morning, I was so in a rage about what they are doing.
And so this situation has not only affected the crab vendors, you know, but you see every and any vendor who dip on the road and do them look at hustling, people are now giving them the bombastic side eye. People not so willing to go and trust them on the food because the first thing people are looking for is you have bathroom, you have a place where you wash your hand, and I need to go and see it now. Because I'm not going to buy the food from you like, everybody is getting a side eye. Because right about now, you know, you slip and you slide because everybody are ready for have them look phone and a spy now for to see if them can go be the next Nadine Francis. Now, can we talk about like all people are create song over Alice about the
New song for Crab, Lady.
Hold there! Yo, who a liar? Who a tell lie?
Did I see it?
Yeah, I see the video, man.
Oh!
So you don't believe it's an accident?
No, sir.
What you call her? What that? Yo, I no crab alone and flick in her soup. More things get deep in her soup. I wonder if she put in her soup. I choose she drink it, she get sick in her soup.
Sir, Jaja. Also, this gentleman pop out of nowhere saying that he is Alice's husband, and boy, it's all alleged. We don't really know if it's true, but this is what he was saying, defending his quote-unquote wife.
Hello, Jamaica. This is Alice, husband, speaking. I want Uno to leave Alice alone. Leave Alice, because everybody shit. Everybody do shit. I want to leave Alice. Else, me everybody, I go in a malice. Leave my Alice.
And if people say, Monica, how can you laugh at that? Because damn it, it's fun.
And so as I mentioned in the last video, I never hear in all of Alice's interviews, there was little, pequeño, I say go, there was little accountability from Alice as it relates to what she did around her stall at Hero Circle. People I still cannot believe that the woman just fully well knows she have, you know, diarrhea. She talk about up beer and all kind of things. People are so why if they feel so upset, why didn't you go and go drink some of your soup? What wrong with your soup? Make you could drink your own soup. And if it was that you didn't feel so well, the same time and energy where you take for go buy the up beer, you know, could have just go, you know, go use one bathroom, go to the gas station or something, man, go angle your business. And so all of these questions are very much valid.
Red flag.
And so I don't know who eventually went and go talk to Alice, but it looked like say Alice get the memo, Alice get the message now, and now she has popped up. Once again, be like, hey guys, back again, yeah man, Casey Fennell style, to now finally deliver an apology. Take a listen.
Some people might say, why me come now apologize to you now? I shall apologize in the first initial stage. But you may feel so nervous well for people them and so. I couldn't. Jamaica, I'm sorry for what me do. And the vendors, the street vendors, I'm sorry.
That's Alice, the woman who once upon a time served some of the most delectable crabs with corn and coconut at the renowned crab circle in Hero Circle, Kingston.
That is it. That is it. That is it. That is the moment. That is the accountability that the entire public has been waiting for. So better late than never. Thank you very much, Alice. I know I've heard from government that there will be, you know, some courses as it relates to proper food management, food handling. They'll be doing the whole of that before them can return to the area. But my question is, if and when them for return, let's just say that them return in November, will you show up there to go and purchase? And if in fact you decide to show up, on the field say Alice I will still get the same crowd? And that is what me I wonder. Will Nadine be at the same circle or she have to go find a new turf? And if in fact she remains at that space, will she now be pulling the big crowd that Alice used to pull? And will Alice no longer be getting that same crowd? You know, honestly, I just feel that Alice will still have our loyal supporters them. They will probably like, kind of ease her for like a few weeks. But I feel eventually they will forget about it and they will eventually, you know, they will give her a little support. But I still can't believe the woman do the round the stage. Well, that is it, Berrydos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If I hear about any more updates, I will be sure to inform you. Or you know the usual style. Hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends, and you know, just sound off like we wanna think. If the place open up back by November, we not gonna still support Alice. Or not gonna go over to Nadine style. Sound off. I don't really eat crab and them something there, you know, but honestly I feel like I might just go down there for go say who I go still buy from the people them. That's all I want to say. Peace out.